like whatever concept I discussed yesterday, that concept is related to customized database table with the primary key creation, customized database table with the foreign key relation. Like meaning, okay, now today I'll extend that part. Like this is a Z employee, sorry, Z customer.
I think you are not sharing the screen.
Share, okay, okay. Yeah. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now this is a like last session which I explained. This is a customer table. This customer table is having one key, like customer number. The same customer number field, it is in second table, that is sales table. Okay, Z sales table. That sales table is having sales number, is having sales order number, and in that same table, okay, I maintained the customer number also. Okay, here I am calling for this table. This is we are calling primary key. For this table Z sales, this is primary key. The same table is having foreign key. Same table is having foreign key. Means if we have the primary key and foreign key, primary key, and in the second table foreign key, then we can use it in queries. We can use it in select queries. We can retrieve the data by using this primary key, foreign key. That we are calling join. Okay, now using this join only we can retrieve the data. But retrieving data still next week we will start it. Now how to join the two tables, how to join the three tables. Now we are going to learn that concept that we can call views. Views. Before going to that views, let me, this is all the concept is related to customized. Yesterday which I customized means created one table I created. This is also one table I created. But here, if you want to join two tables by default, sorry, if you want to check that particular two tables, primary key, foreign key, how you can check it? Okay, like example, some list I had given last class also. Table list I had given, I think LFA1. This is the vendor table. This is a vendor table. This is EKKO. This is purchase order table. Purchase order table. This vendor is having LIFNR is the one field. That name we are calling primary key. This is primary key. Primary key. Okay, now we have to monitor. Okay, we have to check the same primary key is in this table. This is EBLN is the primary key, and as well as LIFNR is primary key. Sorry, foreign key. Foreign key. Then if you have this primary key table with the second table of foreign keys, these two tables we can join. These two tables. Okay. The third table means if it is another standard table, okay, EKPO, that is purchase item, PO item. Okay, EBLN is a primary key and as well as foreign key also. Okay, foreign key. This table is having primary key and foreign key. Then we can join this one to this one. Okay, in this table only we have one more field. Okay, one more field like that. Okay, one more table is connected with this POSNR item and second table related items like Mara table, some other database table, MATNR, Mara table, like that. Each table is connected with one primary key and one foreign key. How to cross check? The same example I am giving for the, this is related to MM, this is related to MM. The same table I can show for sales and distribution level also. KNA1 is a basic primary key table. The same table is existed in VBAK table. Okay, VBAK is foreign key table. VBAK is VP is the okay, another table, and VBAK. Like that, these all tables are interlinked. Here KNR is a primary key. Here VBAK is the VBAK. VBNR, KNR is a foreign key. In this table, VBLN is a primary key, and the same VBLN is primary key and foreign key, both primary key and foreign key. Here also VBLN is primary key. VBLN is primary and foreign key, I think both it is connected. Like that, each table is okay, connected to KNA1 is connected to KNN connected to VBAK, VBAK is connected to VBAP, VBAP is connected to, sorry, this is VBUK. This is a view. Okay, VBAK. Like this is okay procedure in real time scenario which we can use frequently standard tables. That's why I given this standard list only. Okay, this is related to material management model. This is related to purely sales and distribution models. First, one table I will, okay, two tables I will discuss, three tables. Then you can cross check with this scenario. Okay, either customer, either vendor. This is related to the vendor. This is related to customer. The sales related is nothing but customer data. Okay, customer data. Let me open here SE11. You go to SE11. Enter the table name. First, any table, LFA1 vendor table. Click on display button first. Because this is standard table, we have almost 146 fields are there. First, check this key fields. How many fields are there? These two fields are okay, key fields. These two fields are key fields. Let me tap here. These two fields are key fields. Same, if I check this one, another table, one more table I will open. Okay, linking table only you have to check, then only you will see that one. Okay, EKKO, display button. Here, EBLN is a, okay, in this table, second table, EBLN is a primary key. EBLN mandate. Okay, leave about mandate. First we will see this. Okay, this is a primary key. Already written here. Okay, EBLN is primary. Next. If I check here, LIFNR field here. In the second table, in the EKKO table, 141 fields are there. In any row, it may be a second row or it may be third row or any row. So one more field is that field name is LIFNR. That is also vendor account only. Vendor account. Now if I cross check this one, LIFNR with the foreign key, then clearly it will show LFA1. Okay, that is only I discussed here. You can see LFA1 LIFNR primary key with the primary key field, and EKKO foreign key. It is here. The check table is nothing but a primary key table. That check table is having the field name. Foreign key table is EKKO, that it is having foreign key field. Okay, if you have this type of like foreign key information, then only we can use it in a reporting for join purpose. Even for views also. Next concept I am going to start here, new views. Then if I observe in the already two tables I opened. Next third table I am going to open. Go to SE11. EKPO. Okay, EKPO. Click on display button. Like that you have to cross check each and every table, how it is connected, where it is connected. Means we can cross check the table related information by using primary key, foreign key information. So here, this table is already 383 fields are there. EKPO is a very big table. Okay, it is having almost 383. Okay, if you see some other tables, only 140, 150, 200, 200 plus only. But items details we have so many. Okay, so many. Okay, here you can observe now here. I told you already. Okay, one point. If you observe now here, for the third table, EBLN is itself, sorry, EBLN itself primary key, EBLN itself foreign key. Okay, foreign key, both. How we can identify which one is primary key? First you can see here. This is EBLN, here also EBLN. Both are okay, okay. Primary key is okay. But what about foreign? Is this EBLN is connected to foreign key or not? We have to cross check here. Check here. Is it same? EKKO, this is EKKO, EBLN, EBLN, EKPO, EBLN, foreign key. Okay, like this it is. Okay, each and every key fields are connected here. Okay, key fields are connected. To cross check this type of fields, to cross check this type of fields, then we can use it this okay, display foreign key, display foreign key. Okay, like any tables if you cross check that foreign key related, then it will display. This is another fourth table, the Mara table, material master table. How it is connected? Material master, okay, MERA. Click on display button. Mara, you can check that what is material number. Okay, so this is different, but this field is this Mara table field, MATNR. Where is Mara? The Mara field, MATNR is there. In that MATNR is not directly connected to any foreign key, but this MATNR is connected to here somewhere here in EKPO table. Okay, that is EKPO table. Okay, it is closed. Okay, EKPO is closed, I think. Let me come back to EKPO display button. Then here MATNR is there somewhere here. You can check that one MATNR. Here MATNR, material number. Now if I cross check that one, okay, for which table is connected it will show. So this is a check table. This is a check table. Means primary this is this Mara is connected to EKPO. EKPO, secondary table. MATNR. Like that. First we have to identify that which type of data that is, okay, which type of data that is, primary key or foreign key related information. Then it is easy to identify the keys. It is easy to identify the keys. For that, first you have to know some business related tables. Okay, tables, what is the mandatory? SD tables, what is the mandatory tables? These are all mandatory compulsory in any application, anywhere in the world. If you work without these tables, there is no application. Without these four at least tables, there is no customer related application. You can use still more, so many, like those sheet which I sent you already, like in 29 pages. There are so many tables are there. First concentrate on these tables, then you can extend those tables, fetching the data later stages. Okay, this is about the primary key and foreign key for standard. Next, coming to any doubt now? Primary key, foreign key, Satish. Okay, now.
No, sir.
Okay. Now what I will do? Now I will explain now. Okay, one small concept about first package. Then I will go for views. Okay, views. Okay, today package related also I am going to start here because package is important. Every time we are going to save local object, here now that is a package. PACKA. The package side heading. This is general topic. It's not in compulsory in C11 only you have to create, means it's not like that. But in database views we have one concept is maintenance view. Under maintenance view compulsory you have to maintain package, otherwise it won't allow. For that reason I am going to maintain the package here. Now only I am explaining. Package is a SAP concept only, SAP only, but this is done by basis team in real time. Basis administrator will create this one. Okay, administrator will deliver to the technical consultant. We can use it. Okay, we can use. But here easy procedure. That's why I am explaining this package. The package. Here package is nothing but a folder or SAP directory It is a folder. Definition wise, if you want, you can write down clearly. Package is a folder. It is a folder. It is a SAP directory. It is a SAP directory. We can save development objects. Development objects in bracket, tables, reports in this folder. Whenever you save into package, save into package, system will generate request number. Okay, this is a this request number we are calling transport request number. What is the use of transport request number? I will give here one point, but in coming session I will repeat this flow. In real-time servers, we have three types of servers. Okay, our client architecture is having the different servers. See, those servers are development client is one. Development and quality client is one. Production client is one. Like this, here we have three clients: quality, development, and production. As a developer, you have all these three axes. As a developer, you have all the three axes: development, quality, and production. All the clients you have access. Each client you have username and password. Separate password. And whenever you will get like one requirement, example, now today you got like some table creation, like our report creation. Like let me take example table only. The table you have to start under development system. The table creation you have to start and development system. Table creation is same procedure like how you will use it, like Z so and so customer name or table name, and if you click create button, same procedure you will enter, like you will follow the procedure. Okay, follow the procedure in development client. Okay, like customer number, primary key, foreign key, like that you will follow the same procedure. After this one, okay, whenever you click save option, it will ask that package. Here you have to allocate that package in development client. In development client example, I am going to create here Z Gangadhar is my package, or Z Ganga is my package name. My package name is Ganga. Once if I maintain that package name here, like ZGR, it is there or not, I don't know. I will check them. Okay, it is not existed. Okay, anyhow, I am going to create that one. I will show you. But now I will show the existing name ZHR350. This is the existing package. This is my is not my package. This is a SAP package. If you enter this package, then system will generate one request number. You can see here. It is asking local workbench request. This is empty. It displayed here empty, but your part is you have to generate your request. For your program, one request. For table, one request. For report, if you work for totally your project, 100 reports, 100 tables, 100 20 smart forms, like okay, different concepts. So 20 okay, ALV reports, 20 like the all reports. Your work is generation of request. This is like that you can create. I'll show clearly. Just I'm explaining Ganga request. Then immediately it will pop up one request number. This request number we are calling okay workbench request. Under that package only it will generate the request number. System will generate the request number. Okay. This number it will vary. It depends upon. This is for the one table. Next time whenever I can create another table, okay, then I can generate new also. I can generate new request. For each request number, for each table, we have two requests. One is the main task, another one is subtask. This concept I will repeat it once again, no need to worry. Still, if you won't understand this today, what is package and what is request number, if you understand, that's more than enough. This client architecture, I'll repeat it in coming sessions once again. That concept name you can call CTS, client transport system, or TMS, transport management system. Okay, this type of concept is there, that I'll discuss. Now, what is the use of this request number here? You will generate that request number under development system, But how you will deliver, this table, to production client. You generated this table here, but I have to move this copy of this table to quality. One copy, the same copy I have to send it to production. Same table is existed in all three clients. Once if I move it, meaning copy of the development client, I can move it to quality. What I will do here, I will test it here. Okay, I will test it here. In quality server, I will test with a different data. If quality is fine, then we will move to quality to production. In the production, end user will use it. Okay, end user will use it. Then, if end user is getting any issues, like okay, I need new field, I need Aadhaar number, I need so and so particular field number. Okay, then when user is asking that enhancements, then that concept only you can call support project. Then this is like in implementation level, we will develop it, then we will deliver to the client. Then once if client is satisfied, then we will keep it the same tables like that. If client is asking enhancements, some new fields adding, new fields or existing field name changing, that like this type of options we can do by using support project. It's all point later I will discuss. Just today you just concentrate how to create the package, how to create the request number, how to assign this package to your tables or views or structures or any name, okay, any object name. Is it okay? Now I'm going to create the package name. If you have doubt, ask me. I'll explain it clearly. Or about package related. About client related, no issue. We will work out once again. CTS concept. Now here 2 points you have to remember. One is package. That package name we are calling development package. Development package means as ABAP, you can save it into your own folder. But one more point, last class also I discussed that package name is local object. This local object is nothing but a $TMP. Okay, dollar. This is also one entry question. Okay, $TMP. Okay, $TMP. $TMP is nothing but a temporary objects. These objects are not. These are temporary objects. These objects not transportable. These objects you cannot transport it. Why means? Because if it is in $TMP, that objects it won't generate no request. Okay, here in this one, okay, no request. No request. In this type of, we have seen already. Okay, here. Now if I generate this one, it will generate it. Now, okay, if I click here, save, then if I won't maintain the package, then if I click here local objects here, is there any request? No request. It won't save in the request. So here it is saved in package name is $TMP temporary objects never transported. These 2 points are general entry questions. Okay, not only these points, almost 5 to 6 points or 7 points they will ask about client architecture. Okay, what client you are working, which client you are testing, how to test it. Okay, then what is production client, what type of issues you are facing. This type of so many questions about the client architecture that I will repeat it later. First today, just concentrate on only develop event package. How to create that also I am going to explain. Then what is the package name? Sorry, what is the request number, and how this request number is started. Here I have to give that point also. Here if you observe now request number, first 3 digit is the server name. First 3 digit is server name. Nothing but a EHK is here, yes, server. EHK is server name. But in real time, if it is development name is DEV, that is the name of the server. The development server, development server. But their request number will look like a. There, your request number instead of EHK, their request number will be DEV, and after that K. After that, any number, serial number, 6-digit number. Here. Here DEV is nothing but a server name, K is constant, this is serial number, okay, serial number. This is about the request number related. And one more point, this is we are calling main task. This is we can call main task. This is we can call for every request subtask also should be generated by default. Okay, subtask also. Main task and subtask. Subtask first will release it, then main task will release later. Then main later. That concept, transportation concept, later I will discuss. Now you can write down these 2 points. Okay, total 10-digit number. Total 10-digit alphabetical value. Alphabetical DEVK is okay, characteristics and numerical values 9001. Okay. Now I am going to create here. To create this particular package, transaction code is SE80. Okay, SE80. Or you can use it SE21. This is used by only basis, but in both are same. But SE80 is very easy. Okay, this I can use it now. Okay, SE21 or SE80. Now I am using here for our understanding purpose, easy to understand, easy to create. SE80 I am creating. SE80 I create. Procedure. Go to SE80. Okay, click on continue. We can call object navigator or browser. We can call some different name called object navigator. Object navigator is nothing but all you can observe, like last class whatever you created, you can cross check that one. But still we will not create any package. That's what I'm not going to show that particular data. Okay, even it is there, that one local object. But now I'm going to show here package name. The package name. So local object also is here. Local object. No? Here package we have to select here. Here package. Once if you select the package, by default in the drop down box by default package you have to select it. Then once if you select here, package, this is a existing package. You have to remove it first. Any package is there, you can remove it. Now you have to enter your own package name. ZGanga, I am going to enter my package name. Once if you click ZGanga and if you click here display button, there is no create option here in this screen. No create anywhere. Only we have drop down box. Another one is okay, display button is there. If you click display, then system will ask, do you want to create the package? Okay, then Kanga package does not exist, create the object. I am going to create here, yes. We have to enter package description. Okay, this is Gangadhar project. Then immediately it is asking application component. Application component, for which module you are working? Is it your module is related to MM module or SD module, okay, or If we don't have any module name, just leave it blank. If it is only particular module name, like each module name, we have one package actually. Okay, MM is separate package, SD is separate package. Okay, like controlling is separate package. Okay, financials is separate package. Logistics execution is separate package. Like that, there are so many package names. Example, now you are going to use here MM, where it is MM, you can check it. Material management.
Scroll up. Top second.
Yeah, second here. Okay, SD is there, MM is there both. Here, if you want to select, you can select the MM here. Okay, select the MM. Means only MM. But if it is for all, like you are working for the total full project with MM, SD, PP, PFI, POS, production planning, plan maintenance, plan control, you can just leave it blank. Then it is allowed. But most of the projects, they will allocate for MM one package name, for SD one package name, HR one package name, separate. All packages means if it is 10 modules are there in your project, all 10 module related packages it will be there. But here for your understanding purpose, just select here any of the either MM or either SD, or otherwise leave it blank, no issue. Okay, leave it blank. It won't affect anyway. Just we can monitor that particular, is it MM related category or is it SD related category, that only it is, that's it, application. Okay, it won't affect any data related issues, either SD or either MM, just only this is nothing but one category, means folder. Okay, that is also MM also one folder. Okay, one folder. Next. Okay, segregating data we can call, or segregating the applications we can call MM. Okay. Now, software component is a default, it is home is here. Okay, home. Default home is nothing but a customer development objects. Home is their component. There are so many component names, but these are all standard names. It's created for each module wise, they created one package. Now we are using here home, it's home customer development package. Customer development. Okay, that is because we always use the customized applications only. That's what we will always use the home. Okay, home. We never change it. Even admin also never change it. What is customer? Next, transport layer. That is the default one. They only that which transport application they are using. That is created by the admin. It's here transport to the production. I think what for our okay. Whenever you create here, actually this is related to which server. Okay, let me later also. Okay, this transport layer also they will specify. Do you want to transport directly development to? Okay, here this development to quality you want to send it, or development to production you want to send it. That is direct connection we can do it. Means after testing, then we can directly send it to production systems also. Okay, production system. Okay, that is a layer name. Okay, they will give that layer. Super package and development packages is created by this those guys only. We never touch this package types. Just continue. Okay, continue. See here now it is generated one new request. It is generated one new request. It is Bajaj development. Somebody is created. Somebody is created the request number. Now I don't want this request. I need new request. What I'll do? I will create it here. Here we have an option is the create option. You click on create button. You click create. This is Ganga package, Gangadhar package for ABAP. I entered my own naming conventions, description. You can enter your own naming also. Continue. But start with the Z. Z is package is compulsory. Click on save. Click on save it. Then see, this is a request number. This is my request number, package request number. Let me copy and paste it here. My package request number is this is. I'll show it later. Okay, let it be this one. Keep it side. And, one more request also I'll copy. I'll show both now only. I'll show how it is. But we'll see only one. You cannot see another one. Okay, by default, we'll see main request only, not sub request number. Okay, click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Okay, click on. See here, now package is ready. This package is created. We'll see how to use it. Come back. This package is ready here. Okay, package is ready. How to use this package I am going to explain now. Yesterday we created some tables, correct? If I want to move those tables, I can move it, or otherwise if I want to develop new tables, I can, whenever I develop that new table, that time also we can use it. Now first let me show the yesterday tables related. I am moving yesterday tables to our package. Yesterday I saved into the temporary object, means local object. Today I'll show that is how to move that one. Okay, how to move that local object. This is the table, you knew it, or otherwise last class we created, last class also we created 3 tables, that also you can use it. Now I'm going to show first this table. Any table you can take it. First you can check with attributes. What is the name of the package? $TMP. Here I clicked here display button or change button, anything you can do it, but display means you cannot modify it. Change means you can modify it. Better click F6. F6 means change. Then you can able to enhance this table, or you can modify this table. Under this table we have attributes is there, but you cannot enter, you cannot modify here, because this is already maintained on 28th. Now we are going to I am going to change here $TMP. How to change that one? We have one procedure is there. This is also one question. Okay, my package, real time question. My package, my table is in $TMP table. How to modify this $TMP table to development package? Development. How to, otherwise, how to generate the request number for that my table? Okay, this is compulsory question. This type of question they will ask. Okay, under this one, now I'm going to explain. This package they don't want. We need our package name. How to do that? To specify that our package name, here we have an option is there. Go to object directory entry. Object directory entry. Using this object directory entry, we can change temporary objects to our package. Let me show clearly one by one. Okay, after attributes, you can check that one first. Then go to option, then go to object directory entry. It will show here package name. It will show here package name. Now $TMP is there by default, but this is not my package. What is the name of my package? Remove the $TMP, Z Ganga. This is my one package number, package name. Every time, next time onwards, I can use directly my package name only instead of selecting local object. Now say package I assign. Click save. Then it will ask one same. It will show the same request number. Same request number it will show. But this is not a table request. This is a package request. We never save into the main this request only. Why? This request is related to only folder. I need a separate request for table. For that, I can create here. Okay, this is Ganga table request. Ganga table request on 30th April 2021. Date also I can write clearly. Then save it for future purpose, release purpose. So now this is a latest request number. Let me copy this one also. This is my latest request number. Okay, this is and this request number also keep it side. Then this is the request number is continue. It is saved our package here. Now Ganga has come. Okay, then I'll save it first. Then check it, activate, reactivate it. Okay, reactivate. It will change, no problem. This is not the matter. And hope that package is ready or not, we will see here. See here. Okay, Ganga project. Now it is in package. Let me check that my table. I have to check it. Where I have to check it? Even SC11 also can check it. Otherwise, now we can go to SC80. Okay, where is SAT? It is not open. Go to SAT now. Now if you check your package contains one folder. That folder contains dictionary objects. That dictionary object contains your tables. That tables contains my name, that JR customer table. Now if I double click here, directly I can edit from this screen only. Directly I can say this is a folder. In this folder, your development objects is saved. Your development objects is saved. This is about the how to create the package I explained, how to create the request numbers I explained, how to use that same package to the existing tables I explained, then how to check the package name by using SAT I explained. Now up to this point, if you have any query, just ask me, I will repeat it. Okay, if you don't have a query, then I will go through what is the use of request, I will explain. Is it clear now? What is a package, how to create the package, how to assign the package? Okay. Now, okay, now I am going to show the request number. I am going to show here request number. What is your request number? Why this is a created main request? Why it is created with a sub request number? Both I will show clearly. Okay, to check this request numbers, SAP has given different transaction codes. Using SC09 we can use it, using SC10 we can use it, using SC01 we can check it. All these T codes, all transaction codes to check the request numbers. Okay, this is to check the request numbers only. Okay, yes, here three transaction codes, SC09, SC10, SC11. No, I will show the first SC09 frequently, which we can use SC09 only in real procedure. For that, I will show here SC09. All are same. Go to SC09. Okay, click on enter. Okay, click on enter. Here, this is we are calling transport organizer. This is we can call transport organizer. Under transport organizer, we have the user. It is asking, because which user we are working, that username only you have to enter here. Now I am the user here, that's why I by default my username has come. That whatever user they allocated to you, that same username you have to enter. Then in procedure wise, we have two types of request. In real procedure, we have two types of procedure. This is just only copy and relocation. We never touch this one. Okay. We have two types of procedures in real procedure. Means what type of request we have. They will ask which request you are generating. Compulsory questions. Which request you are generating as a ABAPer. As a ABAPer, we never generate any customized request. We always use the workbench request. This customizing request is dead. Okay, customizing request is developed by functional consultant. Workbench request developed by ABAPers basis team, BW consultant, HANA consultant. This consultant can generate workbench request. Okay, workbench. This is the one question. What are the request types are there? Means one is workbench request, another one is customizing request. Customizing request created by the functional consultant. Workbench request is created by the technical consultant. This is one question. Next question is what are the request status we have? Two statuses. One is modifiable status, another one is release status. Still we did not release. First let me show that modifiable. Modifiable means now I created two request. Let me show that two request display button. Under modifiable status you can see here. This is a table now I created just now. One is 218. Let's say 218. Where is 218? Where is my request? Sir, this is not my request, I think. This is my request. This is old one, I think. Okay, so quality system it is assigned here. Here we have said this is okay, correct. This is my request. Now latest is generated 292. You can see that 292. 290 latest like. Then 293 automatically it is generated. I did not create here. So 293 is generated. Under 293 only our table is stored. Our table is stored. Let me open 290. 290 means 291 also it should be generated. 290. This 290 is saved package. There that package is saved. This is a procedure to cross check your tables. But what is your work to work with the transport request means your work is very less for the transport request because this is taken care by the only administrator. But if it is very small client, 3 members, 2 members, if you are working with a group, and then you are the consultant, technical consultant, you have to know the transportation also sometimes. That time, how to release the procedure, that is we can call release procedure. That concept only we can call transport management system. That I will discuss later. Up to this is more than enough for package and identifying the package. Now I'm going to explain the procedure for views. Views. Okay. Amit, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah. This is mainly for releasing purpose. We can use it from development client to quality to production, like that. Release option is nothing but here one truck symbol will come. Here one release, okay, release directly. This quality system is connected to production system. That okay. Once if you click here, okay, sub request number only we will select it always. Then you have to click release. Tick mark you will get it. Then main request number we have to select it. That is also release. Then this object is released in our system, development system. This release procedure I will discuss in coming classes. Any one separate class I will take. This is not error, just refresh it. Okay, it will be released. That's it. Okay. Successfully completed. Like this, we can check this type of transport related information by using these options. Now say that request number it won't be available in that request number it won't be available here, but you can check that request number by using a released procedure. In this release it will display clearly. See, this is the release. Just now I released my object. Okay. Now over. Package is over. Creation, request number, how to check, how to use it, how to modify it to the $TMP to the package. All I discussed. Now I'm going to explain the new concept. Okay, this is our SE 11 related concept. That concept name is views. Okay, views. Okay, view is nothing but a virtual. Okay, virtual object. Or it is a runtime object. Okay, runtime object. Okay, no physical data storage. Data storage. Okay, no data storage. We have types of views. We have views types. Okay, database view. Okay, projection view. Today I'll complete database view. Maintenance view. Okay, maintenance view. Okay, projection view. Help view. Like this we have 4 types are there. In next coming sessions all 3 I will complete it. Now today I am going to concentrate on database. Here view means I told you virtual. Okay, virtual or runtime object. What is virtual? What is runtime? Let me clearly draw small flow. Let me see. Database view means once again definition I am giving for database view. Database view is one or n number of tables, one or n number of database tables we can join. Database tables we can join You can join using, you can join using database view. So you can join using database view. What is one or n number of? Just now I created a, this is only right example for package. Sorry, database view is only. Here, this is the one table, customer table. We have the customer number is the primary key. Okay, for database view example, this is only example for database view. Write down same example. Okay, example one. Okay, customizer. Last class I created. That's what I am explaining the same table. I think the table name, my table name is ZGR. Something it is there. I think ZGR customer something. Okay, that is also one more table is ZGR sales something should be there. Okay, I am using those tables. Okay, this is a physical database table. Physical means physically it is stored in database. This is also physical. Why physical? Because data is maintained in this table. Now I have to fetch two tables data, and I have to display in runtime. Okay, runtime. This is I can call a database view. Okay, database view. Using join conditions we can display. Using join conditions. That is we are calling database view. Here physical means you can create, change, delete. You can create, change, delete. But here database view you cannot create. You cannot change. You can display. Only display. Okay, display. That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is about the concept name is database view. For that compulsory you need primary key, foreign key concept. Then only you can create it this database. Okay, database views. If you don't have the foreign key relation, you cannot create the view. You cannot create the views, database views. Means you can create only one table, but not for the many tables. Not for the many tables. I'll show the same example. Then I'll give on 3-4 examples on these tables. Okay, because I already written these tables. The same examples I will give now for your practice. Okay, for your practice. Now let me create here first customized tables database view. Then I will give for your practical standard tables. I will give the standard tables. Procedure. Go to SC11. Okay, database view creation. Go to SC11. Okay, go to SC11. Select the view. Z. Start with Z. Okay, DB view. Click on create button. Okay, procedure. Go to SC11. Enter, select the view. Enter the view name. Click on create button. Here, database view, projection, maintenance, help. Those only I have written here. Okay, database view, projection that is not projector, projection, TION, maintenance view, help view, all 4 times are there. Now we are concentrating now today only this one. Next class I will complete this all exercises. Okay, now database view, copy. Okay, here it will show that it will ask the description like why you are creating. Okay, this is just a description is database view only. Description is database view. And after this description here immediately table and join conditions is here. You have to go to your table name. What is the table name yesterday we created? Let me show first. SV11. Yesterday I created a table name is Z customer. This is the table name. This is the table name. Customer primary key table. Select always primary key, not foreign key. Select always primary key and paste it here. Here, primary. Okay. If you don't know foreign key, no problem. Okay, no issue. Just primary key you can enter first. Enter primary key table. Select this table and click on here relationships. Okay, click on relationships. Okay, once you click relationship, if this table is connected to foreign key, it will show that. Okay, it will show only that foreign key only it will show. If table is not connected to foreign key, then it won't show that package. Okay, that particular table name. Let me show the one another example for standard table that you have to work out. That is, let me select here now one table, LFA1 table. This is standard, but if you click relationship, thousands of tables are connected to LFA1 table. See here, if I click relation, there are thousands of tables are connected to LFA1 table. Okay, LFA1. Let's see. It will show all the list, all the table, each LFA1 table is connected. See here. See LFA1, it is connected to reference tables. So many reference table, LFA1 bus table, LFA1, okay, so many D001, KNA1, okay, all are connected. Okay, all are connected. Okay, all of them, like T001, T002, T005. Okay, all tables are connected. We will use this table as per our requirement. Okay, which table you are going to connect, the tables we can use it. Now, this is only your, like today you have to identify, like which I had given here one example. First, anyhow vendor you selected already. EKKO, where is this LIFNR? EKKO table is there or not in relationships? You have to identify first. Where is EKKO? Just go to dependent tables. Here you have to find out your table name. E series you can go. E series, C series, MNOP. Sorry. So there are thousands of database tables here. E, still E, we are in E only now. Let's move the cursor. Here you can observe now here E is started here. EB, but I need here EK. Why? And this is primary, this is foreign. You have to identify like that. EKKO. It is here, you can see. Same LFA1 is connected to 4 types of EKKO. EKKO we have one table. EKKO is second table also. EKKO third table. EKKO fourth related. Relationships are there. So many relationships. From these 4 relationships, you have to identify which relationships is going to satisfy for your table. So only this table is. Okay, EKKO LFNR is a foreign key. LFA1, LFNR, same field should be here and here. If it is like this, all the 3-4 tables is not there, you can use it any of the relationship, no issue. But here, same LFNR is connected to same LFNR. You have to select for your procedure. Okay, next examples I will give. That time you have to select it. Then system automatically it will display the join conditions. Join condition. That is your work. Okay, I will give 3-4 examples for this. Let me delete it now. Now it's saved here. Now I will go to same table, customized only. Customized. Okay, click on S. Customized is having only one relation because I created the relation itself. See, only one. It is easy to identify my relation. Okay, click on continue. Okay, click on continue. And copy. Okay, click on continue and copy. Then immediately join condition will come. Only one condition, join condition. Primary key table, primary key name. Foreign key table, foreign key name. That's it. Now join condition is as come by default. No need to enter manually. It will come automatically. Okay, done. After completion of this join condition, go to view fields. Okay, go to view fields. Under view fields, we have the option is table fields. Here, what is my requirement? I am going to join first table and second table. First table is having example 130 fields are there. Example I am giving. In the second table is having around 240 fields are there. From this table I need 4 fields. From this table also I need 4 fields. How many? 8. Okay, total 8. 8 fields I can display here. If I want 100 fields from this 100 fields also I can select it. But for example purpose I am selecting 2, 4, 4. For standard tables, for standard table. Now I am explaining customized. Customized table is having only 3 tables, 3 fields here. Here also 3, 4 or 4 fields are here. I am going to select only those field related information here one by one. Let me show that is. Go to table fields. It will show the 2 tables. Select first table and select here customer number, customer name, customer city and postal code, country. Okay, country. Okay, customer number, customer name, city and country. Copy. Over. Okay, this is a first field. Okay, this is a first field. First table fields. Then go to here another table fields. Why? Second table you have to select here. Okay, second table. Double click on second table. Here you can observe now second table contains almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Customer ID I don't want. Why? Customer number. That is already is here. Customer number. Okay, data errors you will get it. Remove that customer number and remaining you can keep it. Select all. This is we can call select all option. Select all. Select all means all will be selected. Then whatever field you don't want you can select, deselect it also. Now this is done and copy. Okay, copy. Okay, so now all the view fields and as well as everything. Okay, everything has come here. All total 2 table fields has come here. Save it. Where we have to save it? The package. Okay. Now no need to use now onwards. No need to use local object. Now onwards, today onwards, you can save it into package only. You don't select local object. Now onwards, you just create your own name, Z service like that, okay, and use your package. Save it. See here, request number has not come here. Why? I released already. Okay, that tick symbol has come there. If I create one new one, database request, then new request will come 294. Okay, 294. Continue. It is saved now. Then till this position is in new position only. Till it is in new position, and click on activate. Okay, click on activate. Continue. Click no. Okay, click no. Over. Now you can see this is an active. Now this table is ready. This table is ready. Sorry, view is ready, not table. Okay, don't come. Here I have to check the data here. To check the data, you cannot create the data, but you can check the data. You can see here utility is content only there. There no create display content is not there. You can see arrow is not here. Arrow. But in previous session we have seen table content, create, display, both options are there. Okay, tables, content. If you click content, it will show the next screen. Let me check the number of entries. 2, 3 it is there. 3 it is there. Let me execute the 3 records. How it is here. C1 is a customer. It is connected to only sales order number S1. C2 is the Sri Krishna. He is connected to 2 sales orders. S2 and S3 is having this sales orders. Here S2 okay. This is first table data, customer number, name and city and country, and from here all the second table data. Both table data virtually we displayed it. Here this is physical. This is not physical table. This is just virtual. Okay, if I execute here, it will come. If I won't execute, this data won't be there. This data will be in separate tables. Okay, separate tables. Okay, that concept we are calling database view. Okay, database view. Understood this point? Amit, Satish, Praveen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now same type of this example, you can also work with standard tables. N number of tables are there, but I'll give 2-3 tables. I'll give for your practical. Okay, practice. Okay, you try this one. So this is first example. You can try the EKKO and EKKO and LFO and EKKO. Okay, this is one example. And second example, you can try with the EKFO and MARA. Third example, you can try with the EBAK. Okay, third example. Fourth example, you can try with the all these three. Okay, even you can work with here also 3 tables. Okay, like that. Means then you will get some idea. Okay, just to concentrate on LFA1 and EKKO. Okay, KNA1 and EBAK, try first. Then go for 3 tables, multiple tables. Okay, any table. You have to find out here. What is you have to find out first? Primary key is there or not. If primary key is there, this key is connected to EKKO or any which table, that one. Then same primary key is existed or not. You have to cross check that. Just cross check. After that, you just generate it. Now, if you observe now here SC80 now. Okay, SC80. Okay, SC80. So yeah, now my development objects is there like 2 objects. One is table. Another one, now just now I created view also I can edit here directly. Okay, view also I can edit it. This name, this concept name we are calling database view, projection view, maintenance view, and help view. Okay, this next maybe tomorrow you want class or to Monday can I continue? Hello. Can I continue on Monday?
Yes, we can continue on Monday because I need to practice some.
Yeah. That's why I'm asking. Okay, better you can practice this table. So if you have any query, just share screenshot issue. I think okay. Then I will guide you. Okay, I'll guide you.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Practice this example. Okay, possible. This example also you can try 1 or 2. Okay, possible. First practice our class example. Then go for these examples. Okay, customizer only can practice. Then you will get some idea. Just some idea. I'll stop. Yeah, ask me.
Sir, actually, I have one doubt regarding SAP server. Shall I ask to you or shall I need to ask to Karthik?
Means user related area or installation?
Not installation, sir. Everything was